Today, I'm going to show you how to seamlessly add Square appointments to your WordPress website, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully integrated booking system right on your site, no redirects. No hassle, so your clients can book appointments instantly, and you can manage everything smoothly from your Square dashboard. Let's dive right in. First, we need to get set up inside Square. Start by signing into your Square dashboard. If you're new to Square, just head over to SquareUp.com and log in with your account details. Once inside, look for the Appointments section. This is where Square keeps all its booking tools. Navigate through the menu to Appointments, then tap on Online Booking and open the Channels tab. Here's a useful tip: make sure that Enable Online Booking is toggled on. This setting is super important. It's like flipping the open sign for online bookings, letting your clients reserve a spot without ever leaving your website. Now, under the Add Your Booking Flow to an Existing Site section, click Get Started. Square's done a great job making this process user-friendly. So don't worry, these next steps are straightforward. When you click Get Embed Code, Square generates a ready-to-use snippet of HTML that you can easily drop into your WordPress site. If you have multiple business locations, take a moment here to pick the one you want, maybe your main office, or the branch you're featuring on your website. This helps make sure your clients are booking into the right location. Once you've selected, just copy the generated HTML code. You'll see two options. You can embed the full booking flow, which keeps your clients right where they are. Or if you prefer something simpler, a book appointment button that redirects visitors to Square's booking platform. For most businesses, the full booking flow gives a more professional, integrated feel. With your code copied, let's hop over to WordPress. Log into your dashboard and decide where you want the booking form to appear, maybe your homepage, services page, or even a dedicated booking page. Go ahead and either edit that page or create a new one. Inside the WordPress block editor, add a new block and select either Custom HTML or Code. This block is designed for exactly this kind of third-party integration, so you won't accidentally mess up the page layout. Paste the HTML code you grabbed from Square right into this block. If you're worried about accidentally breaking something, don't be. The block editor keeps your booking tool neatly contained, and you can preview how it looks before publishing. Take a quick breath and visualize your client's booking with just a few clicks. It's coming together. Now for the last important step: publish your changes. Hit Update or Publish to make it live on your website. Before announcing to the world, take a moment to visit your page as a guest. Try out every step of the booking process from a visitor's perspective. Is the booking form showing up clearly? Does it send you to the right Square location? Sometimes you may need to refresh or clear your browser cache to see the new changes. If you spot any issues, you can jump back into the editor for quick tweaks. And just like that, your WordPress site now empowers clients to book appointments in real time. So that's it, your booking system is live. If you found this tutorial helpful, please go ahead and like the video. It means a lot. Got any questions or want tips for customizing your booking flow further? Just drop a comment below. I always check and respond. And if you want more reliable, easy-to-follow tech tutorials, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and good luck with your new booking setup.